And the footwork is basically the same for both partners. Man uses left foot, lady uses right. We're going to make sure our hands stay stationary. And we're going to start by moving forward together, back on the first triple. Forward and back. On the second triple, we're going to step back and do a rock in place. Triple step. And then we're going to do a natural rock step. Rock step. We move forward and back and rock, rock step. Forward and back and rock, step. Forward and back and rock, step. A couple of things that are unique to this dance: it has no hip motion, okay, which is kind of hard to eliminate, and it has no upper body movement. This dance is all about your legs and your feet. All right. We started out, once we understood the rhythm, by doing a starter step, and to do that, we're going to go step, tap, and now we're going to do the back in place rock. Back and rock, and a natural rock step. Rock, step. I'll throw the lady out. She'll do a shuffle. Shuffle, step. She'll turn at the end of that, and we both go back and rock, step. And we're in the slot. We did a lady's underarm turn. I'm going to change my slot here for the camera. We do an underarm turn, and in Shag, look in the direction you're turning, whether you're the man or the lady. We do a rock, step. We shuffle, step, back and rock, step. We'll do that again from a rock, step, shuffle, step, back and rock, step. And then we did a man's underarm turn. This one's a little different now. We start from the rock step, we go rock, step. The guy's actually going to dance out of the slot now. He's going to go forward, back. And then he'll do his back and rock triple while lifting his hand over his head. Back and rock, step. So I'm going to actually dance myself out of the slot and back in behind my partner. Rock, step, triple step, back and rock, step. Okay? So all of that together, this one, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Okay?
I'm Jackie McGee from Atlanta, Georgia.
And I'm Charlie Womble.
And we're going to do the Carolina Shag. And what we did in the first workshop, in the basic workshop, is the start, and it looks like this. Step, touch, triple in place, rock, step, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. We went over the basic, which is 2 triples and a rock, up together, back in place, rock, step. The hands stay very still on a post. Everything is vertical, and you move forward just like an accordion. Then we did a female underarm turn. Gentlemen pull toward their right shoulders. And you trade position, staying on the slot. You want to make sure, ladies, that you look over your left shoulder, keep your feet straight, but your body's turned sideways. And then we did a male underarm turn. Guys are turning to their left. They bring their hand up, turning with their palm toward the ceiling. On the first triple, keeping their elbow down. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Then we did a mirror pattern called the Funky Applejack. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, pivot, 3 and 4, 5, 6, turn. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. And in this step, you step forward on your lead foot. 1 and 2, pivot, 3 and 4. Then we do what we call an applejack. 5, 6, and that's toe heel, and then you turn on the first triple, rock. Then we're also going to do a step called the triple basic. This, and we're going to change slots in this. First part you already know, you're going to bring your female turn to the side, and then you turn this way, and then you hold hands and you turn around. Now we've got a different slot, which is okay, because I made this step up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. You have to make sure that you keep the hands on the post. And the only thing different is when they pull them in to the female turn, put your hand on their back so she'll know to put her hand up here. And then he leads you by pulling it across the stomach, and you turn, and then you lead, and you stand up straight. You don't bend over or keep moving. You pull the hands up over your head. That's called triple basic. You ready to try it?